I'm Debbie, and we're expert carpet cleaning. As our name states, we clean carpets, and we're amazing at it. What it doesn't state is that we're also amazing at cleaning area rugs, tile and grout, furniture, and many other things. What makes us different than any other floor and rug cleaning service out there? Well, we actually take the time to listen to your concerns and fix your problems the first time. We have the equipment and the knowledge to do a superior job cleaning your floors and furniture. For example, this is a video of our rotary extraction tool in action cleaning a Berber carpet. This is usually our go-to tool for residential carpeting, but not always. We use the best tools for the job at hand to ensure a top-notch cleaning every time. Our area rug cleaning services include many options, from surface cleaning to immersion cleaning, pet stain treatments, and protectors, among others. We can inspect your rugs, listen to your concerns, and suggest the best strategy to get the results that you expect. Our tile and grout services include all the necessary steps to make your floors shine. Why is it better than doing it yourself? Besides being way easier on your back, we use a continuous flow of fresh water and pressure to rinse your tile and grout thoroughly. Call us today to experience our expert cleaning services, and we can schedule a convenient appointment to meet your needs. Talk to you soon.